Hi guys, so today I want to share a simple yet oh so delicious sweet potato pie recipe. Now the first thing you're going to do is we're going to bake our sweet potatoes. You want to put them on a foil lined baking sheet and you want to take a knife and prick little holes all around the sweet potato, and then we're going to pop it in the oven at 380 degrees for about 50 to 60 minutes. You want to get your potatoes nice and soft. Next, we're going to go ahead and remove the skin. And then we're going to add the inside of the potato to a big bowl. Next, we're going to take our beaters and we're going to beat our sweet potatoes until they're nice and smooth. Now while you're beating your sweet potatoes, you want to stop a couple of times and you want to rinse all these strings off your beaters. Go beat your potatoes, rinse the strings, beat your potatoes. Do it until there's really not any more strings. You want to get all those strings out. So next we're going to go ahead and add our melted butter in. And then we're going to add our sugars. And we're going to beat that until it's nice and combined. Next, we're going to add in our beaten eggs. You want to make sure you scrape down your bowl because you want to get all those ingredients incorporated. Next, we're going to add a little bit of vanilla, pumpkin spice, and some cinnamon. I'm going to mix in some evaporated milk. We're going to go ahead and take our filling and add it to our pie crust. I'm using store-bought pie crust. I really like Marie Callender's because they're nice and thick and sturdy. We're going to smooth it on out and then we're going to pop it in the oven at 350 for about 60 minutes. And then you're going to end up with the most delicious, simple, not too sweet, sweet potato pie. So good, you guys. Yum.